Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Settings, then Apps, and find Google Play Store on your device. Tap Storage, then clear cache and clear data to remove corrupted files. Next, press Force Stop to ensure the app is fully closed. Reboot the device after clearing data to refresh system services and background processes. Confirm you have at least 500 MB free storage before opening the Play Store again. Try opening the Play Store and check if the error persists after these steps. Check for system updates and update Google Play services using official channels. If updates are unavailable, download the latest safe APK from a trusted source and install it manually. If the error began after a recent update, open the Play Store entry and uninstall updates to revert to factory version. Boot into safe mode to temporarily disable third-party apps and determine if a downloaded app causes the crash. Restart normally after testing to restore full functionality. If problems persist, open Settings and reset app preferences to restore disabled services and permissions. Check network settings and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out connectivity issues. Back up your important files and contacts to cloud storage or a computer before moving on. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to clear persistent system corruption and reinstall apps from scratch. If the Play Store still stops after a reset, contact your device menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.